Hello YouTube, I'm Daniel Mustran. I'm pipe maker from Croatia. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. It's early in the morning. I just had my morning coffee. So I went into the workshop and yeah, I have few things just for an update and just for thinking. Joao and we are slowly moving on with the next batch of Erica pipes, even if I didn't finish the first one. So yeah, I need to pick the pace. I need to finish the first batch as soon as possible because Joao is yeah, well, he started the next batch. So we need to get things moving. Another thing I was thinking the other day, this what I did with this Missouri Meerschaum pipe, with opening the hole, the chamber. It works really well. I'm really happy about it. But it's not what I wanted to talk about with you. It's about lighting a pipe. You have seen me in previous videos that I light a pipe with matches, but it's not what I figured the other day when I was here in the workshop. It's always a problem for me. Now that will be good. For me, if I light a pipe and work here, if I do it with matches, because matches don't turn off like a lighter do, you know, you turn it on, turn it off, and story is finished. Sometimes they kind of slowly burn, even if you shut them off, and it's kind of a problem because if you are working in the workshop that is full of dust, and also if you have that powdery dust, it can be a problem. Sometimes it might happen, maybe, I don't know, you know, safety first. It can happen that you light the dust maybe or something. So it's always kind of being back in my mind to watch for those matches, not to start a fire in the workshop. So the other day, the point that actually made me turn over to using a lighter again, and this is a really cheap one, you know, for the kitchen, and it's great because you can light inside the chamber. So I had a faulty box of the matches, full of matches. It was faulty because it opened on the side where it was glued together, and I was using one hand and with the other I was holding my pipe, and I started a match, and it started to burn, but the sparks from lighting the match, they actually ignited the rest of the matches in the box, and that was not very funny, especially because all of them I had to leave aside on the bottom, on the floor of the workshop, because the floor is ceramic. I had to leave them down there not to maybe start burning or something. So I figured, okay, I'm done in the workshop with matches. I will use just a lighter, because the lighter when it's done, you know, it doesn't burn anymore. So, and it's faster, you know, you just light it up and go away to do whatever you were doing. So yeah. And another thing I wanted to talk to you about is a new series that I will start. Actually, I started it already with 2 blocks that are just drilled now. I need to make the stems. What I figured, end of the year is closing by really fast, and I need to pay every obligations that I have to the tax officers and everything else that I need for the workshop, for the legal stuff. And I also need the new material and a lot of other things that I'm planning. So what I figured is that the only way I could do it is by making another limited series that I didn't plan to make this year, because it simply didn't came up as something to do. Well, I didn't plan it anyway. So I figured to do another limited series of pipes that I will call probably basilisk eggs. I think Mark will love these. He has so many dragon eggs that I'm making recently, probably only for him. And he loves the shape, and that's, you know, that's perfect. So I love to make those, by the way, but you know, because I'm making so many for him recently, I didn't do any for sales further. So anyway, these that I plan to make, I will probably make 22 of them. They will be called basilisk eggs, and I think that they will stay like a limited series only. I'm not sure, I will have to see, but you know, like they say never, but I'm planning to keep them as a limited series of 22 only. Previously I was doing series of 33 pipes, but this time I want to make them 22, simply because end of the year is really close, and I'm not sure that together with everything that I'm doing aside, like orders and everything else, that I will be able to make 33, and I want to finish them approximately until the beginning of December, so that I can send them away before the Christmas craziness, you know. So what they will do basically, or what they will look like, they will be straight pipes, rusticated, black, with some probably some stripes on them. You will see, I will upload a video when I'm done with first 2 or 3, and they will be a little reverse calabash pipes. So that's approximately the shape I'm intending to make, something like this. And yeah, I'm planning to make them until I'm planning to be finished until the end of the November with them, all of them. So either in comment or comments on this video, either in directly contacting me on Facebook or Instagram, or maybe by mail, you can let me know that you want one, and I will be updating further when I start to make them a little bit, so that I can show what I'm doing actually. But that's the basic concept. So the head will be sort of eggish, but it will have stripes, I think 3 or 4 of them. That's something that I have to still figure, and they will look pretty much the same as dragon eggs that I'm making for Mark, that are my standard shape, but I will do a little twist on those so that they look kind of more interesting and kind of more unusual. So that's the plan, and that's the plan actually for today, to start on those two. They are, for now they are drilled, and the chamber is drilled and the head. So I will have to make the stems today, and I will have to make the shape of those two, and after that I will see how that will proceed, how that will go. Okay, so yeah, thank you for dropping by. We need to make some dust. Enough talking, less talking, more working. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for dropping by. Thank you for likes and subscriptions. I really need those, especially subscriptions, and that means to me that you like the videos and that you want me to make more. So yeah, enjoy, have fun guys. Bye bye.